Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Wednesday, March 17th. Happy St. Patrick's Day to all of you. I hope you have a fun St. Patty's Day today. Let's talk about tact this morning. Think some more about that coffee filter and think about how our words affect people. This is going to be some interesting conversation. I have a fun little activity for you to finish up with today. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. So when we think about tact, here's what we're thinking about. Tact is telling the truth, but telling the truth in a kind way. I remember telling people in the past, if somebody walks in and their shoes are just hideous, they got the weirdest shoes on, you don't have to lie and say, oh my goodness, I love your shoes, they look amazing. You also don't have to tell the truth though. You don't have to say, oh my goodness, those shoes are so ugly. You have a complete third choice, which is also a part of tact, which is just keeping your mouth shut. So we're talking this week about speaking kindly, speaking truth, knowing when to zip it and not speak at all. Here's a little slide I want to show you that I've heard this saying a whole bunch of times. It says, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. And I'm pretty sure we've all heard that, right? If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Just zip it, lock it, put it in your pocket, right? If you don't have anything nice to say, zip it. I've heard that my whole life, and I thought that was a great saying. I still think it's a great saying. Well, let me change my mind. I still think it's a good saying. There's nothing wrong with it. It's good. But a few years ago, one of my students told me, they raised their hand in class and they said, Mr. Wright, my preschool teacher had one that was even better. And I said, what? Tell me about it. And they said this one, if you don't have anything nice to say, you aren't trying hard enough. What? If you don't have anything nice to say, it's because you're not trying hard enough. Try harder and think of something nice to say. So maybe you zip it, lock it, put it in your pocket, or maybe you sit there and you think, how could I say something nicer? So I've got a little challenge for you this morning. I'm going to put a list of things on the board. And it starts by saying, don't say that, right? Don't say that. That's not nice. Don't say that. Your class has to figure out a way to fix it. Let me show you them, and then you can pause the video and leave them up on the board and talk about them with your class. So let's start with this one. Don't say that. Don't say that answer could not be more wrong. Don't even say that answer is not correct. Don't tell somebody my grandpa has those same shoes. That's not going to make them feel good. Oh, here's one that's kind of funny, but sometimes people say it and sometimes people get their feelings hurt. Don't say, are you pregnant? Don't walk up to somebody and say, you look sad. Don't say, this is so easy. Don't say this one, oh my goodness. Ugh, Mom, I don't like when you make this for dinner. Ooh, don't say this one to your group. You are not doing enough of the group work. So as you look at that list in a minute, some of those didn't seem bad at all, and your class might have to talk about why that's even bad, right? It's not bad to be pregnant, so why is it bad to tell somebody you look pregnant? You might need to discuss that. And then here's the challenge. Can your class think of something nice to say for each one of those? So if you're not saying something nice, you're not thinking hard enough. Think harder, fix these things. Here they come. They're going to be back on the screen. I know some of them are kind of funny. Have fun with it. Fix these and make sure you make something really nice to say. Have a great day, Achieve.